Hello and welcome to Quick Charge. I'm Mike E.G., and it's Wednesday, May 17th. Elon Musk shared a Cybertruck production estimate, and it's actually lower than many had anticipated. A recent tally showed that the Cybertruck had received over 1.5 million reservations, although at just $100 down, it's not the highest commitment level. Nevertheless, Tesla fans and analysts believe that the automaker could produce as many as 1 million pickups a year. But at the shareholder meeting, Musk was asked about the planned peak production capacity, and he replied, quote, "There will be an S-curve production, so it will be slow at first and then ramping up. I guess we will see what the demand is, but we are likely to make 250,000 a year, maybe more. It depends on what demand is like." Now, although at one point Musk said that it could be up to 500,000, it's still below what the greater community was expecting. There is a lot about the truck that we don't know yet, such as pricing, that would greatly affect the demand. A new report states that Tesla has proposed to build a new factory in India. Now, for years, Elon Musk said that Tesla's launch in India was imminent, but strong import tariffs have made it difficult. Nonetheless, the automaker has had some indications that they are preparing for a launch over the last year. But now, Reuters, who admittedly has a spotty history with Tesla news, they write, quote, "Tesla Incorporated has proposed setting up a factory in India to build electric cars for domestic sale and export." The car maker told government officials on Wednesday, according to a source with direct knowledge of the matter. Now, although Tesla has a desire to enter the country, this would be a reversal of their recent past. Looming tariffs have largely kept them away from building there compared to other markets where Tesla gets red carpet treatment. Elon Musk is predicting that some companies will go bankrupt within the next 12 months. He didn't go as far as saying that they would be Tesla competitors, but given the context, that essentially was what he was saying. At the annual shareholders meeting, Musk again reiterated his views on the economy and went so far as to say that he believes a lot of companies won't survive. This was said right after he mentioned how hard it is to make electric vehicles profitably, and he shared a chart on competitor EV losses. The chart shows just a handful of automakers. The worst of them in terms of losses was Lucid and Rivian, and the best was Tesla, of course. They were in the black. BYD was a close second, I guess, but they were still in the red. Now let me know what you think in the comment section. Which car companies will be out of business next year? The governor of Nuevo León, Mexico, announced a new investment from Kia to expand its plant in the region. The announcement was made on Twitter, where he first used the word billion, but then that was made again without the word. So, from Garcia's post, it could be just an expansion of the automaker's existing 400,000 vehicle capacity plant in the area, which began operations in 2016. According to the images posted on his account, one of the two electric vehicles for production could be the new flagship EV9. However, Kia has already said that they're going to build that in West Point, Georgia. Now, with the new planned investment, Garcia says, quote, "We will be the state that produces the most electric car models. The Tesla model, the Kia model, and the Navistar electric truck." Now, by the way, if you're curious, I had not heard of Navistar before. They are a company with International that makes an electric semi-truck, and we actually have not covered them on Quick Charge before. On Wednesday, Toyota, Suzuki, and Daihatsu Motor revealed a new jointly developed battery electric vehicle system. The co-developed platform will power a new generation of miniature commercial electric K-car vans. By the way, K-cars are a highly compact vehicle segment that's popular in Japan, with several different makes all in that market. The electric vans were made possible by combining Suzuki and Daihatsu's expertise in small-sized cars with, quote, Toyota's electrification technology. I will be excited to see that myself. Daihatsu will manufacture the vehicles, while Suzuki and Toyota will release their own versions by the end of the year. The CEO of VinFast has an optimistic view of electric vehicle sales, and of course, he sees the company riding the wave to success. According to Reuters, Pham Nhat Vuong, the chairman of Vingroup, VinFast parent company, they told investors during their annual general meeting that he expects the automaker to sell up to 50,000 EVs this year. Now, given that VinFast sold roughly 7,400 last year, that would represent a year-over-year growth of over 575%. Now, Vuong says that VinFast may produce an electric pickup truck and a low-cost mini car priced around $10,000 to $12,000, and that will expand the market. That's not out yet, though. Now, this is certainly an admirable goal. The new VinFast VF8 electric crossover was recently reviewed by many media outlets, including Electrek. Despite our more gentle approach, other outlets lambasted the vehicle for poor quality, software, and much more. Now, with a shaky start, it's going to be difficult for that brand to gain traction in the new markets of Europe and North America. VinFast is also being bolstered with cash right now. VinFast secured another $500 million in grants from their parent company and another $1 billion personally from their chairman Vong. This is to boost development and production. On top of that, the car company is also going public in the U.S. with an SPAC merger reportedly worth $23 billion. Now, I would ask you in the comment section to tell me if you would personally invest in this company, but I kind of think I know the answer already. In today's community comment found on YouTube, EV Trav says, Mikey G, I wanted to take a minute and thank you for such informative and well put together content. I enjoy it daily and have for the last year or so. Keep it up. We appreciate it. Well, thank you very much, EV Trav. Things have been busy around my place recently, not nearly as much sleep as before. It's always nice to hear from a dedicated viewer who enjoys the content. Be sure to spread the news about the news to all your social media spheres. Then you can join the ranks of the Electrek Daily's reporters. If any of you want to slap together a hideous logo for the reporters, I'll totally use it on the channel. Maybe we can make some merchandise out of it. I went by a knife shop in Los Angeles called Ross Cutlery, and their logo really made me smile with its simplicity. Thanks for watching Quick Charge. I'm Mikey G, and I hope you have a great logo.